Introducing a suspended ceiling. We enter the Properties window. We take the height of the level to reference the ceiling suspension, and then we set the suspension height. Now we can define the parameters of individual ceiling elements. If the ceiling to be made of board, drywall for example, in the Panels tab, select the ceiling made of one board option. This option will automatically hide the ceiling rack. We confirm the changes and draw in the shape of the ceiling by clicking its outline. Finally, right-click, indicate the position of the frame and its possible rotation.